How to create avatar on WhatsApp. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can create an avatar for your WhatsApp account using iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to do that, simply go and open up the WhatsApp from your device, and from the home page go and tap on the settings button at the bottom right here, and from the settings you just need to select the avatar at the bottom of your profile. So I'm going to tap on avatar and go ahead and tap on create your avatar, and go ahead and tap on get started. So here you can create an avatar with your photo, so you can take the photo from here, and also you can create manually. So I'm going to tap on create manually, and I just need to select your skin color or the skin tone. So let's say I'm going to select, and go ahead and select your hairstyle. Select your hair color from here, and then select your body, and lastly go ahead and select the outfit from here. And once you're done, simply go ahead and tap on done, and now your avatar has been created. If I get back from here, you'll get to see the avatar has been created. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.